The best birthday ever. Today was my birthday, and it was the best day ever. I woke up to balloons and a surprise breakfast from my family. They made pancakes with chocolate chips, my favorite. After breakfast, I opened my presents. I got new books and a cool game. I felt so loved. Later, my friends came over for my birthday party. We played games like Pin the Tail on the Donkey and musical chairs. Everyone laughed and had fun. The cake was delicious, covered in colorful frosting. We sang the birthday song, and I made a big wish before blowing out the candles. I wished for more fun times with my friends. After cake, we went outside for a treasure hunt. It was so exciting to find hidden goodies. I loved spending time with everyone and felt so grateful for my special day. I can't wait for next year's birthday.